These are the three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. They are important because there are no two colors that mix together to create red, yellow, and blue. However, red, yellow, and blue, when mixed, create all of the other colors. When two primary colors mix, a secondary color is created. Red and blue make purple, red and yellow make orange, and blue and yellow make green. Altogether, the primary and the secondary colors create a color wheel. On a color wheel, there is a warm and a cold side. The warm side of the color wheel includes colors that we think about when we think about warm things, like the sun or a fireplace. On the cold side of the color wheel are the colors that we think about when we think about cold things. An icy blue swimming pool, the shade of a tree, or icicles on your house. Colors have lots of emotions that are associated with each one of them. The color red can mean anger. You should see Mrs. Seba Morgan's face when she's angry. But it can also mean love. That's why people give red roses to their sweethearts. It also means stop, or it gives a warning, and it also is a very easily visible color, so that's why fire trucks are red. It means hurry, 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 get out of the way. The color orange can mean excitement or enthusiasm, and we think about a glass of orange juice as a refreshing drink. Orange is a very active color. Yellow is a very happy, warm, and attractive color. That's why smiley faces, the sun, and lots of flowers are yellow. But yellow can also mean cowardly. If we think about the cowardly lion in The Wizard of Oz, or if you call someone yellow-bellied, it means that they are a coward. Green is a color for safety. It's also a color of nature and growth. If your plant is green, it means it's alive. But money is also green, and so green is a symbol of envy. And if you say you're green around the gills, it means you're feeling sick. Blue is a very trustworthy color. It's also cool and peaceful and calm. It's a very strong color. A lot of sports teams have the color blue. And blue is a symbol of a winner. You think about that blue ribbon that you win for getting first place. Purple, or violet, is the symbol of royalty. Basically, because when it was first created, the only people that could afford it were kings and queens. So then it became a symbol of wealth. Purple's also a cold color, but it also is a strong color for creativity. So all of those primary and secondary colors combined, and they make a color wheel. A color wheel is an important tool for an artist to use. If you notice on the color wheel, the secondary colors are in between the primary colors that make them up. So for this project, you are going to need a piece of paper, a pencil and an eraser, and something to color in with. Probably crayons or colored pencils will be your best things to color in with, but markers will also work. In the middle of your paper, draw a circle. Inside of that circle, color in 1/3 of the circle red, 1/3 of the circle yellow, and 1/3 blue. We need a circle with the primary colors in the middle of your paper. Near the area that you have colored in red, draw a symbol of the color red. Near the area that you have colored yellow, add an item that represents yellow. Near the area where you have colored blue, draw something that represents the color blue. Between the red and the yellow image, draw something that represents something orange. Between the blue and the yellow image, add an image that represents the emotions or feelings associated with green. In between the blue and the red image, draw an image that represents the color purple. Now color in. Take your time and color in all of those items that you have drawn to represent the colors in the colors that they're supposed to represent. Use your best coloring skills and color solidly and completely. Participation is important in art class. Please turn your camera on and show me your work.